Hi, class. So, welcome to week 10, and you're almost done. Thanks for hanging on this long with me. So this week, really, there's just the one program and chapter, and the homework assignment is a Google Earth assignment. It should be pretty fun, taking a look at how glaciers have changed over, and deserts and coastlines, how that's changed over our recent history, at least, because Google Earth has satellite imagery that dating back to, depending on where you're looking, it can be a couple decades. Field trip is due today, although it is okay if you take time to work on it. Just make sure that you do hand it in by next Monday. That's going to be sort of like the absolute last time you can do that. I'm giving you that extra sort of window because of snow and how that probably affected some people's plans. But this last weekend was looking pretty good in terms of weather. So hopefully you guys went out and did some of that. Now with the field trip report itself, do try to go into as much scientific sort of detail as possible, but if there is something that you saw that you didn't exactly have an explanation for, just give me your best guess, and I mean, that's kind of what science is really about, right? It's like making observations and then kind of making an educated guess of what you think that thing is or why that bit of land is like that, The material covered on this week is going to be on exam 3, the final. This one is a bit longer than the other ones. Just make sure that you study up. You guys did better on the last one than the first one. And depending on how things go, I might also curve the grades for some of those exams. So that's all I've got for you for right now. Contact me if you need anything. Best of luck to you, and hope to see you maybe in an actual classroom. See you later.